What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlogs. And as always, I appreciate all the love and support. In today's video, man, it is bright outside, but as you guys saw in the thumbnail, we're gonna take two ZL1s over to Boss Auto. Talk about that wrap, but get it going. Let's go. All right, you guys, so the first stop, I met up with Lomotaya, and he's got literally the same exact car, except this one's completely stock, and we're gonna work on this one. We're gonna take this one to the shop too. He's inside the gas station right now. And then we got Superman here too. So it should be really fun. I'm really curious to see what color design of the wrap he chooses, and we'll vlog that. All right, Matt.
Oh, it's already up?
No, bro. What are you thinking?
What?
For the wrap. Is there a specific color you want, or you want to see the cards first?
I've been looking at everything. It's like I haven't narrowed it down yet.
Okay, so we got to look at the card, the ring of, it's a card deck.
Everything.
Yeah, of all the colors.
Go around the whole thing.
Yeah, we'll go around the whole thing, and we'll see what you guys end up going with. All right, you guys, so we officially made it over to Boss Auto. Let me actually hop right over here. This way you guys could see their actual sign. If you guys are coming down this road right here, we're gonna go say what's up to Kyle and see what we got cooking, man. All right, you guys, inside the shop, and the first thing that I walk into inside of this place is a 2600 horsepower GTR. Now, you guys know very well, I know I'm an American muscle guy, but I've mentioned it before that the import side definitely has a soft spot in my heart. And this one is actually crazy, bro. It's got the Volk Racing wheels, full carbon fender. Obviously, this is not the stock piece, so the design is gonna be different with the ridges and everything like that. And the vents, everything is functional. Obviously, all that craziness up in there, it speaks for itself. Super fast car. This is the inside of the shop itself. And that dude right there is the one who took off the wrap off the ZL1. And I'm super excited to see what we do next. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you guys something really quick. My car in chrome red, he wrapped his Ducati in the same exact material 2.5 years ago. Here's something that's really special about this bike, and I'll show you right there. I told him you're gonna probably have to keep that wrap on there for a little while, because if you guys have not seen what happened to my car with the chrome red, I'll make sure I leave the link up top, because he removed that wrap, but you won't believe how he removed that wrap, and now he's got it on this. This is a special edition. There's only so many of these made, and he's got it wrapped in the same chrome red. It looks really sick, obviously. I'm curious to see what he does with this later on. Does he keep it like this? Does he wrap on top of it? What is he gonna do? But either way, I think it's sick. When you come in here against this wall, you're gonna see some different colors and material finishes. Okay, that one is actually sick up there. It's got like a sick finish to it. And then on this side, they're gonna be mainly gloss on the finishes, as you guys can see. And then on this side, they're gonna be like a satin finish, as you guys can see. And then when he brings your car in, puts it up in here, either he'll lift it, it'll be another car up there, he'll work on yours under it, whatever the case may be. And he's got this color too, which is sick, and the orange next to it. And then of course, this wall right here is the PPF finish, which is paint protection film. Covers the entire car from rock chips and all that good stuff. Love it, man. Bring your car here. Boss Auto. He's the one who did Optimus Prime, and I'm super excited to see what he does with the ZL1. All right, Matt. So I know that we're debating back and forth, like what color and all that good stuff. And right now you have a color in your hand that I think you have in mind, right?
Yeah.
What is this? Is it like a metallic? What is that? It's what's it called? It's a TPU Canal Bay Blue. That's a sick color. Let me get it up close, see if I can. Yeah, that'd be crazy on the ZL1. Yeah, that's a sick color, bro. So we're debating on this one so far. He's down to this color. He went between two other ones, but right now he's leaning towards that. And like the little fine touches like on the lower splitter and stuff like that, but we're talking about that and we're gonna figure that out. Ain't that right?
Yeah.
That's right. All right, Bruce, I know you're gonna watch this video and I know that your Tesla's coming in here, I believe tomorrow, but there's a sneak peek right there of your finish of your wrap, my friend. Hang on, let me get a close-up shot on this thing. Make sure that it's clear. All right, you guys, so I got the car back at the house, finally made it back over here. Yeah, this is gonna be really exciting to see what Matt is gonna go with for the wrap on his ZL1, and then what we're gonna do with my ZL1. I don't know. I would love to read you guys' comments and see what your guys' thoughts are. What color I should go with. Should I just stay with this all black right here and just don't change it up? Or should I wrap it with something dark on the finish? Or should I go with a brighter color? Before it was chrome red. I mean, what if we did the opposite and went with blue but not chrome? I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts? Let me show you guys the front of the car so that way it can help you decide, you know, how menacing can this thing actually be. I don't know, man. You guys tell me what your thoughts are. Right now, I really like the way this is looking with the all black. This wheel setup with the two-piece 19-inch wheels. Also, big shout out to one of my sponsors for providing this double suction mount right here. From MoveMax. That's who I go through to get this right here. That's how I get those roller shots. And of course, the stick is connected to the 360. What's really cool about this actually extends way more further out. All you got to do is loosen this up, or you can bring it out more, or you want to push it in. All you got to do is turn this little knob right here. If you want to leave it where it is, turn it the other way and just lock it into place. And now it just gets a further shot. But either way, man, I know some of you guys have asked, you know, what am I using? It's right here. It's from MoveMax. They send you the double mounts. The 360 obviously is separate. And then you go from there. But either way, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. And we're going to wrap this one up with both of them, actually. We got Superman here in the video. And then we got Pratam. We got Optimus in the video as well. So we can wrap up today's video. If it's your first time on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. A thumbs up definitely helps out the channel. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. What are we gonna do with this right here? Are we gonna wrap this? Are we gonna leave it the way it is? What are your thoughts? And when are we gonna bring out this guy in the next video? Because I think this one is due for a review also on the channel. But either way, in the meantime, between time, you guys know the drill. A Dilla, bow, Superman chilling right there. Prentam chilling in the garage. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.